To begin, I'm gonna section my hair off into 4 different sections. So I'm gonna do 1 down the middle, and I'm gonna do 2 on the sides, parting down to my ears. I'm gonna start off in the back. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna pour some powder lightener into the bowl now, and then I'm gonna follow that with the cream developer. First thing I'm gonna do is section off a piece of my hair, and I'm gonna clip the rest up. Next, I'm gonna take some bleach on my brush, and I'm gonna start painting my hair. I'm gonna make sure I keep the bleach away from my roots. I'm gonna save that until the end. Now that I'm finished with the lengths of my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and finish with the roots. I'm gonna let this process for no longer than 15 minutes or until the brassiness is gone, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out of my hair.